Hi, my name is Terry Brown. I'm the president and founder of the Change Your Life Club. We've partnered with a 3-year-old debt-free global company that has just launched a new home business industry as a result of COVID-19 or the coronavirus. That industry is the global marketing industry. Now, the company offers you a free, done-for-you super retail store where people worldwide can purchase high quality, amazing products at wholesale prices. New products will be added every 2 to 3 months. Finally, there's a company that gets it. Finally, there's a company that really does care. I also want to let you know about our team's weekly success motivation conference calls. If you could use some more motivation, inspiration, encouragement, or personal growth and development, then these calls might just be a blessing to you. I would like to send you some information about our company and our business opportunity, as well as information about our success motivation conference calls. We would love for you to join us. Please fill out the short form below, and after you have submitted your information, look for the confirmation email in your spam folder if you do not see it in your inbox. Thanks so much for your time. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.